Hi everyone, let's take a look at the huge pump Nkarta over 140% since today. Keep in mind that if we look at the 1 year return, it's still minus almost 50%. So let's take a look at the company. It's a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company that develops and commercializes cell therapeutics for cancer treatment. And what is going on? So I use its pretty favorite site for analyzing the biopharmaceutical companies. So they have these drug pipeline, which are on a phase 1. And we have here latest news, 25th of April. Nkarta announces positive primary dose finding data for 2 lead engineered natural killer cell programs. So it's not an improvement, but they have some sort of positive outcome for these stages, which are in phase 1. But there's also a high level of risk since the company's earnings are forecasted to decline over for the next 3 years by average of 11%. And keep in mind that currently, since its clinical stage, they are not making any revenue, and currently company is unprofitable. But of course, since it's a pharmaceutical company, they are investing in the products 2 or 4 sell them to the bigger players that are there. Health 6 out of the 6. This is a pretty good thing. Market cap 256 million. So if we look at this outlook of the company, they had a lot of earnings updates, expansions, board changes, but still it's not outperforming the US biotech for previous day close. So of course it's now over this recover, it's making pretty nice returns, but still keep in mind that 1 year here's based on previous day close, but it's minus 48. So 1 year turn looking not so fresh. So US biotechs outbids and also US market not nice, like pretty it's not nice to see minus 6% of the market. But about the company, 2015 founded, employees 136. Summary says that earnings are currently minus 86 million. So these are the investment that they're doing in the products. Valuation side, unfortunately, here's nothing information on that. Check the tip ranks. It says that $42 per share is the target, and a strong buy. I'm not sure if this is the yesterday's or when was the last time they made this estimate for the company. Strong buy. 6 analyst is giving a buy to this company. But if we check the market watch, it says that 81 if everything goes well, and $17 if it goes badly. So average $46. But of course, keep in mind that these are only estimates, should be not be like 100% true. So be aware of that. Future growth 11%. Since the company is on a clinical stage, phase 1, it's of course taking time to make a research properly and made a product out of like nothing pretty much. So they have a lot of investments there, and that's why it's showing huge losses in millions. Also, the earnings per share is not calculatable because it's on the negative side. Zero revenue. It's not profitable, of course. And financial health. This is, by the way, important. So they have zero level of debt, and equity is decreasing. If we check the cash, cash is also decreasing. So nowadays they have, last time it's updated December 31st last year. cash was at that point 238 million. So keep that in mind. But they are not taking debt. What they do is they are, if we take a look, simple safe dividends. Usually company with zero debt is just putting the shares outstanding. So they put shares out. So we've seen that 2019, 1 million shares, almost 1.5. Then 16 million, 32 million. So it's actually growing very fast. So keep in mind that whenever the price drops, it could also mean that there's more shares outstanding. But of course, they are not taking the debt, but they are printing the shares and sell to the market. This is one way to finance the whole research that they have. But of course, it's looking nice in the financial health that there's no debt, everything is going well. Balance sheet looks green, like like very, 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 very how I to describe that situation. So everything looks on paper normally. Insider trading, nothing there. Ownership breakdown. VCP firms 56, institutions 28, and you see the following ownership. So general public holding only 8.4%. Top shareholders, we see here that a lot of companies adding, but Vanguard and BlackRock decreased and significantly. So last reported holding date 31st of December. Unfortunately, this is not so fresh data. This is almost 5 months old already. So I'm not sure why they don't update this section. It's pretty nice to see like real time who's doing changes. But anyway, there's on both sides. So many companies are buying and many are selling. But keep in mind, there's double bottom. We could possibly reach afterwards this kind of level of 7.5, maybe even $8 per share. So this pump does not necessarily mean that it could reach $40. Of course, we could some sort of test once again the bottom of line, or we can keep on this kind of line. We could drop possibly to the 12.5, maybe 13. So this is actually, keep in mind on that. As I said, shares outstanding keep increasing, no sales. Hopefully this video clarifies about the project, everything you want to need. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the next one.